Hi, it's Bridget with the Tech Yards at Beef Australia.
I'm going to show you some simple tech that I use on my mobile phone. The tech for today is the spirit level. It comes standard on the iPhone and on most Android phones. Now, as you know, for a rain gauge to be accurate, it has to be level. So, let's see if this one is. So we go into the Utilities app on your phone, measure. So here's a ruler, or you can go to the spirit level. Pop it on top. And looks like we got it level. Obviously, if we hadn't, you'd see the degrees plus or minus. Anyway, looks like we got it. And that's how you use the spirit level on your phone. And one last thing. So you can also put the phone flat on its back on a surface, and you'll get these two dots, and it works that way too.